Okay, so yeah, I think those are the only two I can find. But I think there is one more that I need to show you. Like, I don't really know, but I think it's gonna be Ukraine because that's the only one I can think is gonna be on that list. So yeah, don't be frustrated. I'm just looking for something right now. Actually, I don't know what I'm trying to do. I'm actually looking forward to say something. Like, yeah. So here you go. Oh, okay. I purposely left out a EAS alarm origin out. So yeah, I purposely did that, but here is the last one for today. So here you go. So that is the end of this video. So hope you have a great rest of your day. Just like and subscribe to this video. So yeah, I have no other things to say because I basically don't have anything to say. So yeah, bye.